In this video, I'm going to show you how to place an order inside of NinjaTrader. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so if you're using the NinjaTrader desktop with ChartTrader, you can place an order directly from the chart. Now, NinjaTrader supports market limit and stop orders, and you can also attach an ATM strategy for automatic stop loss and profit target management. So the first thing what we need to do is open your chart. I'm going to use Bitcoin USD for this. Actually, I might change this to this one. Now from here, we want to go ahead and turn on ChartTrader. So click on ChartTrader and turn that on, and you're going to see to the right here, we can set up our orders. So before we do that, make sure to set your correct account. So I'm just using a demo here and the order quantity. I just want to place, say, 2 quantity for this. Now I've got an option to buy market, buy ask, buy bid, and we can also sell market, sell ask, and sell bid after you've bought some. So I'm just going to click on buy market, and you're going to have a notification and order filled. Now if you want to check it out, come back here, click onto orders, and you can see your orders here. This is the buyer, so I bought 2, which was filled at an average price of that. Now if I want to go ahead and sell, I can. So I can go ahead and click on sell at market,